2025 has seen a shift. Bigger isn't always better, and that's where the .22 Magnum pistol steps in. Light in recoil, fast on target, and packing more punch than most expect, it's quickly becoming a favorite for carry, defense, and fun at the range. In a world chasing power, this underdog is quietly rewriting the rules. Stick around to see why the .22 Magnum might just be the smartest choice this year. Don't miss what's coming next. Reason number 1. Innovative safety, features, and user protection. Modern shooters demand comprehensive safety features, and the M&P .22 Magnum delivers with multiple systems designed to prevent accidental discharge while maintaining rapid deployment capability. The manual thumb safety provides positive control over the firing mechanism while remaining easily accessible under stress. The loaded chamber indicator allows users to verify the pistol's condition without manipulating the slide, particularly important in low-light conditions or when wearing gloves. This feature proves valuable for competitive shooters who need to verify chamber status quickly during stage preparation or for defensive users conducting press checks. The firing pin safety prevents the pistol from discharging unless the trigger is fully pressed, providing protection against impact-induced firing if the pistol is dropped. This passive safety system requires no conscious action from the user, but provides crucial protection against accidental discharge during handling or transport. Magazine disconnect safety prevents firing when the magazine is removed, a feature particularly valuable in training environments or households with multiple users. While some experienced shooters prefer pistols without this feature, the safety system provides peace of mind for users concerned about unauthorized access or accidental manipulation. The overall safety philosophy balances user protection with operational readiness, avoiding overly complex systems that might fail under stress while providing reasonable protection against common sources of accidental discharge. Reason number 2. Versatile training and defensive applications. The M&P .22 Magnum occupies a unique position in the firearms market by serving effectively as both a training tool and a legitimate defensive option. The familiar M&P ergonomics and control placement make it an excellent training companion for shooters who carry centerfire M&P pistols, allowing skill development with affordable ammunition. Defensive applications benefit from the .22 Magnum's superior terminal performance compared to .22 LR, while maintaining the capacity advantage over most centerfire defensive pistols. Modern .22 Magnum hollow point ammunition expands reliably and penetrates to FBI-recommended depths in ballistic gelatin testing. While not replacing traditional defensive cartridges, the .22 Magnum represents a viable option for shooters who struggle with centerfire recoil or require maximum capacity. The pistol's accuracy and mild recoil make it an excellent choice for introducing new shooters to defensive pistol concepts without the intimidation factor associated with centerfire cartridges. Training programs can utilize the M&P .22 Magnum to teach marksmanship fundamentals, malfunction clearance procedures, and tactical reloading techniques using ammunition that costs a fraction of centerfire alternatives. Law enforcement agencies have expressed interest in the platform for specialized applications, including animal control and training scenarios where overpenetration concerns make centerfire cartridges problematic. The combination of adequate terminal performance and reduced ricochet potential makes the .22 Magnum attractive for urban environments. Reason number 3. Revolutionary gas-operated action system. The M&P .22 Magnum utilizes Smith & Wesson's innovative Tempo gas-operated system, originally developed for their M&P 5.7 pistol. This represents a complete departure from traditional blowback actions found in most rimfire pistols. This operated mechanism provides consistent cycling across various ammunition weights and velocities. something that has plagued 22 Magnum semi-autos for decades. Traditional rimfire pistols rely on straight blowback operation, which works adequately for .22 long rifle, but struggles with the higher pressures and varying burn rates of .22 Magnum ammunition. The tempo system captures gas from a port near the muzzle, using this energy to drive a rotary locking mechanism that ensures reliable extraction and ejection. This design eliminates the feeding issues that have historically made .22 Magnum pistols notoriously finicky. During our extensive testing, we fired over 2,000 rounds of various .22 Magnum loads through the M&P, including everything from 30-grain VMAX bullets to heavy 50-grain offerings. The gas system cycled flawlessly with ammunition that would choke other semi-auto .22 Magnum pistols. Reason number 4. Strong aftermarket support and customization potential. The M&P platform's popularity ensures robust aftermarket support, and the M&P .22 Magnum benefits from this ecosystem of accessories and upgrades. Holster manufacturers offer numerous options ranging from basic range holsters to sophisticated concealment systems designed for everyday carry. Trigger upgrades from companies like Apex Tactical provide enhanced performance for competitive or precision shooting applications. These aftermarket triggers maintain the reliability expected from a defensive pistol while offering improved feel and consistency compared to factory components. Sight options include everything from basic 3-dot configurations to advanced night sights and fiber optic systems. The standard sight dovetails accept most aftermarket options without modification, allowing users to customize the pistol for specific applications or personal preferences. Magazine availability represents a crucial factor for any firearm's long-term viability. Smith & Wesson's commitment to part support, combined with potential third-party manufacturers, suggests that magazines and spare parts will remain available for years to come. This support contrasts favorably with some competitors whose proprietary magazine designs create supply concerns. Training accessories including laser trainers and snap caps designed specifically for the M&P platform allow for comprehensive skill development beyond live fire practice. These accessories extend the pistol's utility as a training tool while reducing overall operating costs. Reason number 5. Exceptional build quality and material selection. Smith & Wesson's reputation for manufacturing quality shines through in the M&P .22 Magnum's construction. The stainless steel slide receives an Armor Night finish that provides excellent corrosion resistance while maintaining the attractive appearance expected from a premium firearm. This finish proves particularly important for a rimfire pistol that may see extensive use with less expensive, sometimes corrosive ammunition. Internal components demonstrate the same attention to quality found in Smith & Wesson's centerfire pistols. The barrel features button rifling with precise dimensions that contribute to the pistol's excellent accuracy. The chamber dimensions and throat geometry optimize performance with various .22 Magnum loads, from lightweight varmint bullets to heavy subsonic offerings. The trigger mechanism represents a significant improvement over typical rimfire trigger systems. The flat-face trigger provides consistent finger placement and breaks cleanly at approximately 5.5 pounds. While not a target trigger, the mechanism offers sufficient precision for serious shooting applications while maintaining the reliability required for defensive use. Quality control appears exemplary based on our testing sample and feedback from other reviewers. Fit and finish rival pistols costing significantly more, and the attention to detail evident in areas like the magazine well beveling and slide-to-frame fit suggests careful manufacturing processes and thorough quality assurance. Reason number 6. Unmatched 30-round magazine capacity. Capacity matters, especially in a rimfire platform designed for extended shooting sessions. The M&P .22 Magnum ships with two 30-round magazines, providing an unprecedented ammunition capacity for the .22 Magnum cartridge. This isn't just about having more rounds available, it's about fundamentally changing how shooters interact with the .22 Magnum platform. Most .22 Magnum pistols on the market offer single-stack magazines holding 10 rounds or fewer. The Kel-Tec PMR-30, the M&P's closest competitor in terms of capacity, also offers 30 rounds, but suffers from magazine reliability issues that have plagued the design since its introduction. The M&P's magazines feature a robust double-stack design with improved feed lips and follower geometry that ensures consistent feeding even when fully loaded. The high capacity transforms the shooting experience from constantly reloading to extended strings of fire that allow shooters to focus on marksmanship fundamentals. Whether engaging multiple targets in a training scenario or enjoying an afternoon of recreational shooting, the 30-round capacity eliminates the frustration of frequent magazine changes that interrupt concentration and flow. Reason number 7. Innovative optics, ready design features. Modern shooters increasingly demand optics-ready firearms, and the M&P 22 Magnum delivers with a well-executed red dot mounting system. The slide features a milled optics cut that accepts popular micro red dot sights without requiring adapter plates or permanent modifications to the firearm. The optics cut maintains the structural integrity of the slide while providing a secure mounting platform for electronic sights. Unlike some optics-ready pistols that feel like afterthoughts, the M&P's red dot integration appears purposeful and well-engineered. The sight cut sits low enough to allow co-witnessing with the factory iron sights, providing backup aiming options if the electronic sight fails. Red dot sights transform the .22 Magnum's capabilities by extending effective range and improving target acquisition speed. During testing with a Trijicon RMRCC mounted, we consistently engaged targets at 50 yards with accuracy that would be challenging with iron sights alone. The combination of the M&P's inherent accuracy and modern optics creates a versatile platform suitable for small game hunting, pest control, and precision target shooting. The forward cocking serrations provide additional gripping surface when manipulating the slide, particularly important when wearing gloves or operating the pistol under adverse conditions. These practical design elements demonstrate Smith & Wesson's attention to real-world usability rather than purely aesthetic considerations. Reason number 8. Exceptional accuracy and ballistic performance. Accuracy testing revealed the M&P 22 Magnum's superiority over other semi-automatic .22 Magnum options. Using CCI Maxi-Mag ammunition, we consistently achieved sub-2-inch groups at 25 yards from a rest, with the best 5-shot groups measuring 1.3 inches. This level of precision rivals dedicated target pistols and far exceeds what most shooters expect from a high-capacity defensive pistol. The accuracy stems from several design elements working in harmony. The 4.35-inch barrel provides optimal velocity for .22 Magnum cartridges while maintaining excellent harmonics. The gas-operated action reduces felt recoil and muzzle flip compared to blowback designs, allowing for faster follow-up shots and better overall precision during rapid fire strings. Ballistically, the .22 Magnum cartridge fired from the M&P's barrel achieves velocities approaching 1,400 feet per second with 40-grain hollow-point ammunition. This velocity, combined with modern bullet designs, delivers energy levels that exceed many centerfire cartridges at close range. The combination of accuracy and terminal performance makes the M&P 22 Magnum a legitimate option for applications beyond recreational shooting. Reason number 9. Cost-effective ammunition and operating expenses. Ammunition costs significantly impact a firearm's practical utility, particularly for pistols intended for high-volume shooting. The .22 Magnum cartridge costs approximately 60% less than comparable centerfire defensive ammunition while delivering superior performance to .22 LR in terms of velocity, energy, and terminal effectiveness. Bulk .22 Magnum ammunition from manufacturers like CCI and Winchester typically costs between 15 cents and 25 cents per round, depending on bullet weight and construction. This pricing allows for extensive practice sessions that would be prohibitively expensive with centerfire ammunition. A typical range session firing 200 rounds costs less than $50 in ammunition, compared to $100 or more for equivalent centerfire practice. The economic advantage extends beyond initial ammunition costs to include reduced wear on the firearm and accessories. The lower pressures and reduced fouling associated with rimfire cartridges mean longer intervals between cleaning and maintenance. Barrel life approaches tens of thousands of rounds rather than the thousands expected from high-intensity centerfire cartridges. Target costs also decrease significantly when using .22 Magnum ammunition. Paper targets last longer, and steel targets require less frequent maintenance due to reduced impact energy. Reason number 10. Superior ergonomics and handling characteristics. Smith & Wesson leveraged decades of M&P platform development to create ergonomics that feel familiar to millions of shooters while accommodating the unique requirements of the .22 Magnum cartridge. The polymer frame features aggressive texturing in key contact areas without being abrasive during extended shooting sessions. The grip angle and trigger reach dimensions mirror those found on M&P pistols chambered in centerfire cartridges, creating immediate familiarity for users transitioning between different calibers. This consistency becomes particularly valuable for shooters who use the M&P .22 Magnum as a training tool for more expensive centerfire ammunition. Weight distribution favors the shooter's strong hand without creating excessive muzzle heaviness. At 24.5 ounces unloaded, the pistol provides sufficient mass to absorb recoil while remaining light enough for extended shooting sessions. The balance point falls naturally in the web of the shooting hand, promoting intuitive point shooting and rapid target acquisition. Ambidextrous controls accommodate both right and left-handed shooters without compromise. The magazine release, slide stop, and manual safety can be operated efficiently from either side, a feature often overlooked in rimfire pistols but essential for serious training applications. In the end, the .22 Mag pistol proves that smart performance beats brute force. It's reliable, affordable, and surprisingly capable, especially when speed, control, and precision matter most. That's why, in 2025, the 22nd of May isn't just relevant, it rules. Hit like if this pistol deserves the spotlight, and subscribe for more deep dives into the gear that's changing the game.